Welcome to the Dave Show. My name is Dave, and today I'm here to talk about this air purifier by CleanForce. Now, they did send me this product for review, but they wanted me to show you what it is and how it works. And this is the Rainbow series. You can see there's a bunch of colors on it. This is a blue one here. And now this one here is supposed to be good for up to a 2,500 plus square foot room. So if you have a large living room and or office, this air purifier will be great. Now, air purifiers will help you with like allergies. If you have allergies, dust, pet dander, smoke, any of those kind of things that are in the air that are irritants, this will help filter that out and make it easier and clean air to breathe. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this and see how it works. Okay, I brought you in a little bit closer because there's a couple things I want to show you about this unit here like this. First of all, you are going to get an instruction manual and a power cord. And on this here, you see it's got wheels. On the bottom of it, they have wheels, and it looks like they are locking wheels, so you can lock it into place, which is really nice here at the bottom. Because it is a bigger unit, you can put it on the floor and roll it around. But here on the back side of it is a little door. You're going to want to open this up and take out the filter, because it is in plastic. So you're going to want to make sure you take this out and take it out of the plastic before you use it, or else it's not going to work very good. So I'm going to go and do that now. Okay, so this is the filter itself, and this is a several stage filter. On the inside, it's kind of hard to tell. It's got those charcoal type things going on, and then the HEPA filter on this. So it's a really good filtration system. You can see how big this is. So we're going to go ahead and slide that back in like that, and then put the cover back on. So now it just snaps right into place. Pretty simple, very easy to do. Okay, here's a close-up look at the top panel for you. Now this is the power button here, and they're touch sensitive. So they're not buttons, they're touch sensitive. And you can see that this turned on green. This will actually change colors depending on your air quality. It'll go green, and then I think blue, and then red when it's if it's not good at all. But just going down the list here, there's a Wi-Fi here, because you can actually set this up to an app, which I'll show you the app in a little bit as well. This is your filter change. This is your fan speed. Now, when I touch this, it's going to change something, and you can't really see it, I can feel it, but the LEDs are at the front right here. I'm going to have to show you that separately, because it's actually kind of hard to see with this angle. So I'll show you the display in just in a minute, but this is here your fan speed on off. This is your timer. You can go from 1 to 12 hours to automatically shut itself off. This is nighttime. It gives you a nice quiet sleepy type of thing. It's still working. It's still very, very low, and the lights are off. And then a child lock to prevent kids from coming and pressing buttons. So that's the control panel here. Now let's take a look at the LED part of it to show you what it does when I hit these buttons. Okay, this is looking at the front LED part of the panel, but we have it set here right now for auto, and this is showing parts per million going on. It's sensing basically the particles and so forth in there. Now it's on now. I'm gonna hit the fan button, and you can see that there's a single dot. So that goes to the low speed. I'm gonna hit it again. It goes medium and long. The largest, the biggest. And I don't know if you can hear it. It definitely has some sound to the high speed, but it's not too bad. We'll take it back down to auto there. Now let's go like the timer. On this timer, you can go up from 1 to 12 hours. So if you just keep hitting the timer button, it goes all the way up to there. And then the nighttime just shuts all the lights down and makes it nice and neat. And then the child lock, if you press and hold it, the little lock comes on right over here. You can see that, and press and hold it again, it will unlock. So it's very simple, very basic. Again, this is kind of hard to see, but it's designed to be kind of stealthy at the same time. Now, there's an app to this, and I downloaded the app, so I'm going to go ahead and pop that up here, and we're going to take a look at it. Okay, I'm showing you the screen recording of the app itself, and you do have to just put your email in and sign up. It's real simple, does not cost anything. We're going to go ahead and add a device. So I hit that button to add the device. I'm going to come over here for the Rainbow Purifier. We're going to OK it. Now, it does want to hook up to your Wi-Fi network, and it's got to be the 2.4G. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up. Okay, now that I have that on here, it says reset the device. So we're going to power on, press the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. So I'm going to power it off. There you go. The Wi-Fi is flashing, so we're going to hit that for next. Okay, so now we just have to wait for it to load. It's found it, and it's syncing. So we're going to let it do its work. So now that it's there, you can see that there's a power button. I can turn this on and off from the app itself. I'm going to go ahead and hit it. Now you can change your mode, your speed, your child lock, your countdown. You can do all kinds of stuff. I'm going to tap on it, and this gives you all the information that you need to know. It gives you your particles, in the air. So that's all there. You can see it's a whole little chart going on. How many hours that are left on the filter. Let's see, mode. That's your auto, sleep, manual. Your speed, you can change your speed. And your settings, your child lock, filters, countdowns, things like that, schedules. You can do a lot of stuff with the app. And you can even control this with a voice-assisted things like Alexa. You can use that to turn this on and off and change speeds and so forth. So pretty nice, a lot of different options. You got the app or manual controls on the unit. Pretty nice. So there you have it, a nice detailed look at this air purifier. It's got some nice little features to it, and you can control it with your app on your cell phone or even talk to it if you have Alexa. I don't have Alexa, so I can't show you that. I'm sorry about that. But very nice unit. If you are looking for a air purifier for your house and or office, this one may be the right one for you.